So there's this work we did. So how can we welcome to part 27 of our continuing course on mobile data collection and management. What we are going to do today is how we can be able to link the Kobotoolbox server and Power BI for further analysis. So there's this work we did. So how can we be able to? So first, what we're going to do is to, in the URL, write API/v2. We search, we get the assets. So under assets, we'll go to so we do Control F to find. So and what is question? Yeah, is a socio-economic questionnaire. Okay, so look at it. Questionnaire for socio-economic survey and committee consultation. So we go to the export details to get the URL. So the export details. So we want it as CSV. So we'll copy this link. Copy link addressed. Then we open our Power BI. So get data, you get it from the web. So you paste the URL here, click OK. Basic. So I will put my username and password. So I'll connect this. Okay, so we could do settings here, but let's just load it. And so I've successfully linked the responses from the web to my Power BI. So I could be able to go ahead and do some analysis. So when we check the table, we can be able to see the questions and the responses. Okay, so we can just do a little analysis with this. So we can say so we can just say let's add sex and say how many